Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. We will continue our topic on social religious reform movements. In the last video, we have learned about Brahma Samaj and its founder, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. In this video, we will be learning about Arya Samaj and Prarthana Samaj. I have also given 10 MCQs based on Arya Samaj and Prarthana Samaj. So let's begin. Arya Samaj or Society of Aryans or Nobles. It was organized by Swami Dayananda Saraswati in 1875. Swami Dayananda Saraswati put forward the attractive elements of the ancient Vedic society. It created the feeling of self confidence and self respect. Important aspects of Arya Samaj. It believes in a single God who does not have a physical existence. It insisted on education for women and upliftment of the depressed classes. It started a number of schools to impart English and Vedic education. The Dayanand Anglo Vedic College, DAV College, was founded in Lahore in 1886. The DAV College is named after Dayanand Saraswati, so it is very important. Arya Samaj opposed child marriage, polygamy, parda system, casteism, and sati. It also condemned animal sacrifice, idol worship, ritualism, and the idea of heaven and hell. Now let's see about the history of Swami Dayanand Saraswati. His original name was Mool Sangar. His motto was Go back to Vedas. He mastered the Sanskrit language and became the disciple of Swami Virjanand. He found out that Vedas contained all the truth. He wrote many books. His major contribution is Satyartha Prakash. The philosopher and president of India S. Radhakrishnan called him one of the makers of modern India. Shruti movement. It was started by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. It is a ritual to reconvert the Hindus, so he was often described as the Martin Luther of Hinduism. Next is Prarthana Samaj. It was formed by Dr. Atmaram Pandurang in 1867. It became popular after Mahadev Govind Ranade joined. I have given 10 MCQ questions based on the topic. If you like my videos and want to let me know, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are preparing for TRB and Tnpsc exams. Now let's move to the first question. Who was the leader of Arya Samaj? The options are Swami Dayananda, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dr. Annie Besant, Madam Blavatsky. The right answer is Swami Dayananda. The leader of Arya Samaj was Swami Dayananda Saraswati. He was also the founder of Arya Samaj. What does Veda mean in Sanskrit? Happiness, love, truth, knowledge. The correct answer is knowledge. The word Veda means knowledge or wisdom. How many Vedas are there in Hinduism? 3, 4, 2, 6. The correct answer is 4. The four Vedas are Rig, Yajur, Sama, and Atharva. What was the slogan of Arya Samaj? Make the world noble, peace and happiness, Swaraj, India for Indians. The right answer is make the world noble. Go back to Vedas was also the motto of Arya Samaj. How many principles does Arya Samaj have? 4, 10, 5, 7. The right answer is 10. The 10 principles regarding God are: God is formless, beginningless, incomparable, the support and Lord of all, omniscient, imperishable, immortal, fearless, eternal, and holy. Swami Dayananda Saraswati was against the Vedas, Upanishads, Brahman supremacy, idol worship. The right answer is D. Idol worship. Swami Dayananda Saraswati was against the idol worship. Not only idol worship, he also condemned animal sacrifice and the idea of heaven and hell. Who started Suddhi movement? Dayananda Saraswati, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Annie Besant, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. The right answer is Dayananda Saraswati. Suddhi movement was started by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Who was called as the Martin Luther of Hinduism? Atmaram Pandurang, Rajaram Mohan Roy, Swami Virjanand, Dayananda Saraswati. The right answer is Dayananda Saraswati. He was called so because he started the Suddhi movement. Where was Prarthana Samaj started? Chennai, Goa, Mumbai, Delhi. The right answer is Mumbai. Prarthana Samaj was started in Mumbai. In which year Prarthana Samaj was organized? 1876, 1867, 1887, 1878. The right answer is 1867. Prarthana Samaj was organized in the year 1867 and Arya Samaj was started in the year 1875.